Hey guys, welcome back to channel, and finally we got something special news regarding to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and I want to share with you guys. The previous rumor regarding to the Galaxy S24 Ultra come with flat display, but these all are wrong. The S24 Ultra first look is out, and this is how it look like. If we take a close look, it's not completely flat. It still have a curved edges, so the Galaxy S24 Ultra look different compared to the S24 and S24 Plus, and the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus first look also reveal. The S24 Ultra bezel are similar that what we expect before, and the bezel all four side will be same. Another great news, the Galaxy S24 series come with 2500 peak brightness, and at the first time we are going to see the titanium frame on the side on the Galaxy S24 series. Other Galaxy phone like S24 and S24 Plus look side are flat frame, which look like recently launched the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, and the phone come with the 5000 mAh battery and 45 watt fast charging, and of course the phone come with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with 16GB of RAM. So that's pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, don't forget the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching, and I will be catching you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.